What's up, guys, and welcome to Zwane Podcast. So, there is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. He has made his position very clear with regards to this issue of Jacob Zuma and his the court ruling that says he must pay that 30 million rands, in legal fees that was incurred by the state. So, as we all know, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi wants nothing to do with Jacob Zuma. So many people were saying that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi might join MK, but you can see for yourself there. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, he has thrown, his position and said Jacob Zuma must pay back the money. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is slowly finding his voice back when it comes to political matters. After that fiasco at EFF, when Floyd Shivambu left, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi sort of lost his voice. Then he found a job at Power something FM. He just went silent with regards to political issues, but now he is returning back, with full force. We saw him in the past few days, labeling all MPs at the ad hoc committee as gossip mongers. We saw him now, calling for Zuma to pay back the money. We saw him, pushing that Thabo Mbeki national dialogue. Unfortunately, the national dialogue seems to have been scrapped for now. But what we can say is that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is back. I'll catch you guys on the next one.